I'm here today with an empties video. I have a ton of products I've used up, so I'm gonna get right into it. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and make sure you thumbs up this video before you leave. It really helps me. And let's get right into the empties. Disclaimer, I'm gonna huff and puff throughout this video because I may only be 12 weeks pregnant, but I am out of breath all the time. So I like to do empties videos, but I like to make it short and sweet and to the point. I don't like to gab about them too much, so we're gonna just run right through these, which might be difficult because I'm already puffing. So anyways, let's get into it. Dry shampoo. This is the Nexus dry shampoo. My friend Sam really loves this. I found mine at Target. Me personally, it did not work for me. I don't know if it's because I have like so much virgin hair, but it just did not absorb the oil enough. So for me, this was a pass. But if you tend to have like more color treated hair or maybe a drier scalp, you're not as oily, then maybe this will really work for you. But I have like so much natural hair right now that dry shampoos are really tough for me right now. So this one, unfortunately, was a pass. When I color my hair again, probably in July when I go to my appointment, I might try it again. But as of right now, it just didn't work for me. All right, this was also a pass. This was the Argan Dry Shampoo, Morrocan oil. This I did not like by Hask. I like their chia seed one, but this one did nothing for me, did not absorb oil at all. I still have 3/4 of the can left because it just really didn't work. And I'm not gonna keep using products that I don't like. The Sol de Janeiro, this one actually did work really well in my hair. It smells amazing. If you like the smell of their Boom Boom cream, you'll really like this. It's definitely pricey. There's better ones at the drugstore, but if you love, or equally as good ones at the drugstore, but if you love the smell, it's definitely worth giving a go, and it does make your hair smell really nice throughout the day. So I would consider repurchasing this again, but I'd probably wait till there was a sale. A couple body products. The Olay Firming Cleansing with Collagen. I loved this. This was in my bathtub, and I used it to shave my legs. It smells amazing. My skin was super hydrated. Definitely will repurchase that. I have two Bath & Body Works shower gels, Snowflake Cashmere and Into the Night. Both were amazing. I love Bath & Body Works shower gels. I've just been trying other things because there's much cheaper, better bang for your buck, probably better quality products for your skin. And my skin's been so dry lately that I'm really trying to use a little bit more hydrating products, and these definitely don't like hydrate my skin. But I'll always repurchase Bath & Body Works. And then this Coco Shea body scrub. I love their body scrubs, especially to scrub off any dead skin or old tanner before I tan again. So I'll always be buying the Bath & Body Works scrubs. This Dermalogica Thermofoliant body scrub was really nice. My guess is it's a little bit pricey, but it is packed full of scrubbers and was amazing at sloughing off dead skin. Very gentle, even though it was very, very packed full of scrubbers. I really like this, and I would definitely repurchase it. Four, Bondi Sands Liquid Gold Tanning Oil. I love this stuff. You guys, every empties has a few of them, so we have 4. Clearly, I'll repurchase those. Sorry, make that 5. And another Bath & Body Works and Bright Autumn Blooms. A couple hair products. It's a 10. This is one of my favorite detanglers, leave-in conditioners. Definitely will repurchase this. I couldn't get the last little bit out. There's like some stuck in there, but I have tried everything. It's like really stuck. So I'll definitely repurchase this. I want to get a smaller one in the keratin one because I do like to do like the keratin spray every once in a while. So I'll definitely repurchase that. There's a thin hair stuck to me. The nice thing about our new puppy, if you didn't know, we got a new puppy. He doesn't shed. The Lange Detangling Conditioning Spray, I did not like this. I bought a ton of Lange products because there was a girl I followed on Instagram. She has beautiful hair. Her hair grew really long. She promotes these products a lot, but I found I didn't like 90% of what I bought. The Hask Chia Seed, this is the one I do like. This is great at absorbing oil. We'll definitely repurchase that. The Amika Shield Styling Spray, I really liked this as well. It's a heat protectant and just kind of protects your hair when you're heat styling it. It didn't make my hair crunchy or anything or greasy, so I liked that. And I think I got it at TJ Maxx. Yeah, they always have Amika products at TJ Maxx. I have these caffeine wipes from First Aid Beauty. Probably wouldn't repurchase these. You guys know I love my Kirkland ones. This EOS shave cream was really nice. I just really use shower gel or conditioner. So it was nice. I would definitely buy it again, but again, I think that was probably sent to me because I don't tend to buy shower cream. I think they sent this one too. EOS shave cream, or I got it in some sort of box. This was also nice. I'm going to buy shave cream. I do like the EOS one. Hi, Bubba's. You ready to go downstairs? I'm almost done, okay? You're just being a good boy. This Ultra Repair Cream is amazing from First Aid Beauty. We keep this down by our sink downstairs. When we're constantly washing our hands, you know, your hands get really dry. This is amazing. It's kind of like a thicker cream, but it's amazing at hydrating. So if you have super dry skin, I definitely recommend picking this up. A bunch of skincare. Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, love this. I've repurchased it. Also, they've sent it to me. It's amazing. It's a Holy Grail facial cleanser, does a great job at removing makeup. This Dr. Zenovia, I've actually been trying quite a few of their products and I really like them. These are their glycolic acne control peels, and I was using this before I was pregnant. They have salicylic acid in them. They have a nice exfoliating pad, so they do a really good job of just sloughing off dead skin, brightening it. I don't really suffer with breakouts very often, but I do like glycolic. Does it have glycolic? Yeah, glycolic acid. So I really enjoyed that. I found out you can buy that at Sephora. This is a must all the time. This Resist Daily Pore Refining with BHA from Paula's Choice. I love it. My husband loves it. That will definitely be a continued purchase. This Garnier facial mist was okay. They sent me a bunch of them. I probably would not repurchase them. I like the Pixie ones better. This was a Charlotte Tilbury Goddess Cleansing Ritual Cleanser, like cleansing balm, cleansing oil, but it was thicker and then it turned into an oil. I liked this, but I don't think I would go out of my way to repurchase that. It was okay. Not my favorite though. Kirkland wipes, we always have to have those. Those are my favorite. This is the Dr. Zenovia Night Repair Treatment with antioxidants. I really like this. It's a really nice serum. It felt really plumping on the skin. It's supposed to reduce pore size and appearance of redness, fine lines, and puffiness. I do feel it like kind of was plumping to the skin, so I like that. They sent me another one, but I would definitely consider repurchasing it because that is a serum that I really like. This was awful. The Kristen S Instant Lift Thickening Spray did nothing for me, did not lift or anything. I have very limp hair and it did nothing for me. So that I'm just getting rid of. And I hate the smell of Kristen S products. I'm sorry, it smells like bad perfume and like stale cigarettes, and some people love it, but I have hated the smell since I've gotten their products. Okay, Derm E Advanced Peptide Collagen Moisturizer. This is amazing, super hydrating. I have another one of these actually as a backup, and you can buy these Derma E. They have deals all the time on Ulta's website, and I just love Derma E products. There's a ton of them that I love, so that moisturizer I'd definitely buy. The Dr. Zenovia Hyaluronic Peptide Serum, this was amazing. Definitely would repurchase this. Love hyaluronic acid. Love things with peptides in them. Again, another kind of plumping. This one's more serum-y, where the other serum I showed you, the treatment, is more lotion-y. I could use it morning and night. Worked well with my makeup, and it was incredibly hydrating. My goodness. I actually really like this Time Check lotion from MAC. I got it back to MAC, this one. It was really nice. It was very hydrating, felt good on my skin. My skin felt nice, and I don't know, I keep saying the word plump, but like, you know, when your skin just feels youthful and plumpy, that really did that for me, and I really enjoyed it. The Bye Bye Under Eyes by IT Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite eye creams. It's great at filling in the little fine lines under your eyes. I'll always repurchase that baby. That one's one of my favorites. This Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Eye Cream, did not like this. I didn't like the consistency. It was an eye gel. I didn't feel like it was very hydrating. It lasted a long time, but I didn't like it, so I would not repurchase that. This is the Laneige Vanilla Lip Balm. Oh, it's so good. I have so many of these. Continue to repurchase them. They're amazing. The All Nighter Primer from Urban Decay. Already repurchased this. I love it. The IT Cosmetics primer, they used to have a different one, and I thought this was the other one. It was like called Bye Bye Pores, and it was a lotiony consistency. This is like a more gel consistency. It was okay. I would not repurchase that over this one. I like this one way better. So the All Nighter I'll definitely repurchase. This anti-aging primer from CoverFX, I'm actually decluttering. I've had this for years and years and years. It started to smell funny, and it's a little too silicone-y for me, to be honest, so I would not repurchase that. And the MAC Strobe Cream, this is like such a classic. I love it. I love the smell of it. It's nice and hydrating, gives a beautiful glow to your skin. 2 foundations, the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation. This is amazing. I've already repurchased 2 of these. I use the shade Medium Neutral 31. And then this YSL one I had to declutter because it said it expired in 2017. But this is a great one too. I need to repurchase that one. This is the Naked Medium Urban Decay Wonderful Powder. Love it, would repurchase it. Bye Bye Pores Pressed. Love it for setting my under eyes and my pores. Would definitely repurchase. And the Boots number 7 in Light Medium. I would probably just purchase the lightest color for under my eyes. I don't love this as an all-over setting powder. Cluttering this. This is a Burberry Nude Radiance. It's a liquid highlighter glow product. I've owned this for probably 5 or 6 years and it smells funny, so I have to declutter that. I'm a little bit bummed because that was very expensive. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof. Love it. I've repurchased it. The Laura Mercier Caviar Volume. Love it. Would repurchase. The Air Volume. Don't love this. Did nothing for my lashes. The Clump Crusher is not as good as I remembered. Would not repurchase. The Bad Gal Bang. Did not love, would not repurchase. The Legendary Volume 2, love this, would repurchase. I have really difficult lashes, and so it's really hard for me to find mascaras that like do something for my lashes. The Wet n Wild Breakup Eyeliner, Liquid Liner, love it, have repurchased it many times. This Sephora Brow Pencil in medium brown, loved it. I would definitely repurchase it, and it's not very expensive. This is the KKW Concealer, and then the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I'd mix these 2. I loved them both mixed together and obviously on their own. So I'd definitely repurchase those. I haven't repurchased any of these yet. The lip liner from Urban Decay in Liar. Love it, would repurchase. It's a beautiful color. And then the last one is this Revolutions Pro. This is in the color Central, and this is my second one I've gone through, and I love this. It's a wonderful dupe for MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and it works like a dream. So that was all of my empties. I actually did this pretty fast. Less than 15 minutes, you guys. That is amazing. We ran through a ton of products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!